Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a listing on OfferUp in 2025. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just joined OfferUp and you want to go ahead and edit a listing. How do you actually go ahead and edit a listing on OfferUp in 2025? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now the way to actually do this is that first you're going to go into the OfferUp app. Next, what you're going to do is that you're going to go ahead and click on listings. And then from here, we're going to go ahead and click on one of the listings that we've already posted. So we're just going to click on this Pokemon card Japanese Mew and Mewtwo listing. And next, what you're going to do is click on edit post. So here is where you can actually go ahead and add photos. You could actually change the title. You can change the description. So let's say that we want to add in the description, must pick up, and then click on next. You could actually change all these details, so the category, condition, type, color, and then click on next. You can even adjust the price as well. So let's say we want to increase the price to $60. You can do that as well. And then lastly, you're just going to go ahead and click on save. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and edit a listing on OfferUp in 2025. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next